Hello, today in this lecture we are going to learn aptitude of different competitive examination. Maths. In maths, first we are going to learn percentage. What is percentage? We know that percentage is calculated with the 100. That means if I want to find the percentage of any number, that number to the base with the 100. For any something like, we'll take some examples and we'll try to learn what is percentage. So let's take that a pen. A pen is sold. A pen is sold by 4/5 with profit. Okay, this is the example. What is the example? A pen is sold with what much of profit? By 4/5 with the profit. Then we have to find out what will be the percentage. Okay, this is the concept example. With this example we will try to understand what is the percentage and how to calculate the percentage. This is very basic example. With this example we will try to understand how to solve the examples with the percentage, and later on we will have some series of example. On that we will try to see question and answer directly. As we know that we are looking for 4/5. We are looking for 4/5 that we have to write. Yes, and 4/5 we have sold out with a profit, and we have to calculate that profit in percentage into 100. That means if I do the multiplication, it's a 400 divided by 5 equal to 80. Yes, that means what is the percentage of profit? It's a 80%. 80%, that means 80 divided by 100. That's a 80%. This is very basic. With some different example we'll try to understand. If I want to sell a book, with 20% profit, what will that? I want to sell a book. What percent? With a 20% profit. 20% profit. Then I have to calculate what is the basic. What is the basic price? What is the basic price? In this type of example, if I get what is the question? That there are books. I want to sell the books with 20% profit, and I have to find out what is the basic amount. As we know that it's a 20%. If that's 20%, that means we have to calculate for 20/100. We have to calculate with the 20/100. So we'll write here 20/100. Right? If I do that, 1/5. Yes. If I do that, it's a 1/5. So whatever the basic amount, that is 1/5. That means we have to check in what multiplies. In what multiplies, it increases. That type of questions will be there. After that, we'll see one more question that let's consider. For the example, let's consider that the price is 600. This is one type of the question. Price is 600 and the profit is 30%. If the price is 600 and profit is 30%, that we have increases, then we have to find out what is the basic price. What is the basic price? Here I have to find out the basic price. Here I have to find out what percentage. This is 20%. 20%, we have written 20/100, and then we have calculated. In this question, 600, if I increase the price with 30%, then what is the basic? So let's try to understand what is the price. 600. What is this? If I want to increase by 30% profit, already it's 100 plus 30, then it's a 130. Please try to understand this. I want to increase with 30%. That means already there is 100. I want to increase with 30, so it's 130. Have you got it? 100 plus 30, it's 130. And 130 is nothing but the percentage. 130 is nothing but the percentage. In the given problem, what we have taken? 600 into 130 divided by 100. Are you clear with this? 600, this is given to us. 30%, it is increased profit. That means 100 plus 30 is 130 percentage, so that it's a divided by 100. So we'll try to calculate this. 0 0 0 0, we'll see here 0. If we multiply with 13 with 6, it's 780. So what is price? Price with the 780. This is one type of questions that we can have. So we'll see one more type of question on the percentage. In the percentage, we may have the questions like, let's consider that money amount. If the question is 80, if 80 paisa of 4 rupees, if 80 paisa of 4 rupees, then what's percentage? 80 paisa of 4 rupees, what percentage? 80 paisa of 4 rupees, that means we know that 80 paisa for 4 rupees. 4 rupees means 400 paisa into x divided by 100. What I have to calculate here? 80 paisa equal to of 4 rupees. 4 rupees means 400 paisa into x divided by 100. If I do the cross multiplication and 400 here, I have to find out value of x. Both are gone, it's 20, so x equal to 20. X equal to 20. In this type of question, this is the part which we have to equate. This is the part 80 we have to equate with what? With given amount 4 rupees means 400 rupees into what percentage of this means x by 100. So 0 0 0 0, x equal to 80 by 4, so it's 20. This is the type of questions which can be there in examination. So we have seen here the percentage. I will recap whatever we have seen. After this we will have some series of example on percentage. So percentage, this is first type of question which may ask in examination. They will give you a price with some kind of profit, that 4 by 5 or anything like profit, and they will ask you in what percent. That means 4 by 5 into 100. We have to calculate with the 100. This is the price which if they ask you that after selling a book I get 20% profit, then what is the multiplier? 20 by 100. Then there will be one more type of the question. If they ask you 30% more, that means 100 already we have plus 30, so it's 130 price, 130 percentage, that we have to do. In some question they will give you left hand side and they will ask about the right hand side. They will give you amount and what percent means x by 100. What percent means x by 100. The left part equal to the right part and we have to find out the value of x. With this method we can solve the percentages with very quickly. Within 30 seconds or within 1 minute we can solve any question. Maximum time required to solve 1 minute. Within 1 minute we can solve every question of the percentage. So we'll see some example in next lectures. Thank you.